am Dr. Nidhi Agarwal, Clinical Psychologist, Assistant Professor, CMC Ludhiana. I welcome you all for Healthcare Tips. Today we are going to talk about anxiety. Per se, anxiety is perceived in very different manners in the society, but still the awareness about the same is lacking. To talk about the symptoms primarily, now anxiety can be manifested in many aspects in different manifestations. For example, to some anxiety would be stage fear, to others it would be examination fear, to some others it would be butterflies while attending the examination, to yet another it would be hesitation while speaking with somebody or stranger anxiety. All are manifestations of anxiety. The list is really long, but the manifestations can be very different. Now somebody can also experience shaking of legs while driving or when they are trying to learn driving. So these are all aspects which can be manifested in anxiety. At times it is seen that people get aggressive when they are not able to take care of their own anxiety in a particular situation. So we have to understand the concept per se so that we have better aspects of human relation with each other. Until we identify that we are going through anxiety, we cannot take care of our own symptoms, and in the meantime our relationship with people around us in the society also gets impact. The impact is not positive obviously, because the symptoms are not known to ourselves, and in the same manner it is not known to the people with which we are interacting, so they may tend to misinterpret us. In the whole thing, what happens, the relationship gets into a different zone, and the difficulty is that we are not able to manage the situation because we don't know what is the fault and how to be fixed. So in that case, we need to identify in any situation if we think that we are not behaving the normal way, which means if we think that this is not me, this is not the real me, we should take a pause and rethink about it. Why did I behave in certain manner? And the manner in which I behaved is influenced with what? If we have sufficient reason to say that we behaved in a particular manner because of this reason, then this is not labeled as anxiety. But in certain situations, when we know that the appropriate behavior was not exhibited but still we have done it, then that is definitely anxiety. So to know ourselves better is an important homework for self. If we go through that homework regularly, we will be in a better situation to identify anxiety for self. If we go around and introspect our own thought process, we can clearly get the pattern in which we are at times anxious. It is not a holistic pattern. So we can at times be anxious, and in most of the situations we can act without anxiety also. It is not a permanent label forever. In case you have any queries or comments, feel free to put your comments on the comment box below. We will answer all your queries and comments in the upcoming videos. In case you require any professional help, you can reach out to us at CMC helpline number 2. Thank you.